Alright, here is something that I actually just picked up like several minutes ago. This is a Hoover Nano Cyclonic upright compact bagless vacuum. I picked it up from my neighbor's trash next door, and it works overall. Really, I think the only thing why they threw it out is, as you can see here, this clip to hold the hose onto here snap off, so it's like being held by this wire here. So anyways, the house got sold and the neighbors were throwing out a bunch of stuff that they didn't want, so I spotted this and decided to pick it up and take it over to see what was wrong with it. And so I figured that it was going to be something simple, because in these days people would just throw out something that's just something simple and it's completely repairable. So anyways, unfortunately I'm not going to be keeping this, so I thought I would quickly show it off here before I get rid of it. But obviously this is not going to go back into the trash. So it's got the onboard dusting brush and got a clutch. Unlike its predecessor, it actually has a cyclonic separator inside, so you wouldn't have to worry about messing with dirty filters all the time. It's also got a spare filter. Oop, looks like this just fell out. But yeah, there's a filter inside of here that gets cleaned here, and another one here as well. So clean once per month. Showing off all the info here. Yeah, there's this. I don't know why that's there. I've noticed another one was on top of the handle that I took out. But yeah, overall it's not too bad in condition. It's overall not a bad machine, but for collectors wise, it's not something that really grew on me to where I really wanted it, unlike the other one that I picked up and did a video on. But obviously it's as I said before, with the cyclonic separator inside, it's a much needed improvement. Even this wand come off where you could put the hose inside, and you have the crevice tool right there. So yeah, I would have bought it back in the day if I really must, but again, as a collector, it really didn't draw much interest on me. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and run this. Anyways, hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.